Yeah, right, now that I want to do a really basic ABC of how to put an online lesson. There's other stuff I've done which maybe shows some fancier ideas. Let's just do a complete down to basics beginner's guide. Right, so if you want to record a lesson and put it online, first things first, you need to record it. It's not going to be video or audio. The best guidance is to not do it live, and frankly, generally, I would completely agree with that. Okay, so recording beforehand and putting it up for the kids after is the right way to do it. Secondly, how am I going to record myself? Right, okay. First question, do you want it to be video or audio? I'm going to concentrate on the video versions, but to be honest, doing it by audio is absolutely fine and is very simple. In fact, personally, if I was doing just an audio lesson, of a sort of podcast, if you will, I just get a phone and, well, there's plenty of voice recording apps that are already loaded onto phones. There's plenty of free ones you can get, which are very good as well. I think I would just keep it simple. I would just open my camera and I would start filming a video, but not pointer at me. Just put my phone down, hit video, hit record. All right, you're recording a video with no picture, but it's a perfectly good sound recorder. It'll get your voice perfectly if you know how to do it, and I'll happily explain. You can get rid of the video and turn it into an audio file very easily, or just load it up as a black screen with audio. Doesn't matter. So if you don't want yourself to be on it, that's one definite option. If you want it to be a video one, there's a couple of reasons. One is you may want to have yourself on it. I mean, I always do because, you know, I'm a star. But you could also do that just to show work. So you're not showing yourself. Well, the way to do it, if you're showing yourself, right, there are lots of ways, but as I said, this is a simple version. So I'm going to show you how to get onto the camera. Okay, so you're on my desktop now. That's just me and a friend at the football. And, right, if you are on a Windows machine, search for camera. And it's going to come up there. So this is how you would do that. You type camera, it'll come up. If you've got a Mac, then you're one of the cool kids, so it doesn't really matter. You'll know what to do, I'm sure, to get your camera up. I don't know how you would do it. And here, webcam, isn't that cute? That would take just a photo, smile, cute. But this one here will record a video. And so what you would do is hit that button, and I'm now recording myself. Yeah? So that's an easy way to record a video. There's another thing I'd like to show you though. So, Mr. Donlan, when he did his maths podcast during lockdown, it was brilliant, and he had one of those excellent setups, which is excellent because it's wonderfully simple. He suspended a phone over a piece of paper and filmed that piece of paper. Now obviously you can hear his voice as well and see his hands and what he writes. Am I going too quickly for you? I hope not. All he did was find a way to put the phone up, balance it up like that. I've got one of these, which is, you can get lots of these really cheap versions. It's just a tripod for a phone. Basically fits most sizes. If you do get one of these, check what size it is. Just make sure you don't get one that's too big or too small. But it's got a springy bit, so it fits most sizes. And then, yeah, just plonk it on your desk. Piece of paper underneath and write on it. Bam, bam, bam. You've done a lesson. So you could do it that way as well. Then you don't appear on it, but your work does show. I would say though that if you look at those videos by Mr. Donlan, because they are superb, they're not sort of online lessons to be done straight away, if you will. What he's doing there is he's teaching a topic. Now, an online lesson might be just saying, let's do this and this, and then showing how to do it. I would say that if you're just, your pupils have to stay at home and you're sending a quick lesson, I would be keeping it 5 minutes, clear instructions, leave them to it. What Mr. Donlan was doing in maths was illustrating an actual topic, an actual skill, and going through that and showing his workings, if you will, maths. So that's a different thing, I would say. So be aware of what you're looking to achieve